Today, I am reviewing the AXV Vibration Plate Fitness Platform. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Finding the time, energy, and physical stamina for high-intensity cardiovascular workouts can feel like an uphill battle, but the AXV Vibration Plate Fitness Platform completely redefines home and office exercise routines. For individuals looking to burn fat, build muscle tone, or accelerate physical rehabilitation, traditional exercises like running or heavy weightlifting can place immense stress on joints and bones, often leading to fatigue or injury. This vibrating shaking platform offers an incredibly smart, low-impact alternative that maximizes physical output while minimizing physical strain. By utilizing whole-body vibration technology, this machine acts as a powerful catalyst for your fitness goals, transforming passive standing or basic bodyweight movements into high-efficiency workouts that yield remarkable results. The scientific foundation behind this exercise machine is what makes it a stellar performer. When you step onto the platform, the system generates rapid, continuous full-body vibrations that ripple through your skeletal structure and muscle groups. This motion instantly triggers involuntary muscle contractions, causing your muscles to flex and relax extra times per second compared to standard movement. This intense muscle activation dramatically forces your body to maintain reflex reactions and balance, which skyrockets your metabolic rate and accelerates calorie burning. In fact, using this machine helps your body process and burn fat many times faster than regular running, making it an absolute game changer for weight loss. Instead of spending an hour pounding your knees on a hard treadmill, you can achieve deep muscular engagement and an elevated caloric burn in a fraction of the time. Beyond weight loss and fat burning, the therapeutic benefits of this vibration plate are absolutely outstanding. The gentle yet powerful whole-body vibrations serve as a fantastic tool for relief, rehabilitation, and cellular repair. As the machine wakes up muscles throughout your entire lower and upper body, it drastically increases local blood flow and circulation. This enhanced circulation delivers oxygen and vital nutrients to tissues much faster, boosting your body's natural ability to regenerate cells and heal itself after injury or a stressful day. Continued and regular use of the platform gradually builds up essential muscle tone, which acts as a protective shield around your nerves and bones. For older adults or individuals recovering from joint issues, this increased stability provides a significantly greater range of motion and alleviates chronic stiffness, allowing for smoother, pain-free daily movement. The feature set integrated into this compact workout board is incredibly rich and highly efficient, catering to everyone from absolute beginners to advanced fitness enthusiasts. It boasts an expansive adjustable vibration speed scale ranging all the way from 1 to 120, giving you ultimate control over the intensity of your session. For a quick, full-body workout routine, the machine includes 2 heavy-duty resistance bands that clip directly into the base. This allows you to perform bicep curls, shoulder presses, or upright rows for your upper body while your legs and core are fully engaged in stabilizing against the platform vibrations. The sheer efficiency of this setup means you can complete an entire full-body routine in just 10 minutes every single day, seamlessly fitting into a hectic work-from-home schedule or a busy office lunch break. AXV clearly paid close attention to user experience and modern conveniences when engineering this platform. It features an onboard wireless Bluetooth system, allowing you to instantly connect your smartphone and play your favorite high-energy workout playlists or relaxing podcasts directly through the integrated speakers. The top surface of the board is embedded with a specialized magnet health massage function that targets reflexology points on your feet, which feels fantastic when using the machine barefoot or in socks. A bright, clear LED display tracks your progress in real time by showing your current speed, elapsed time, and estimated fat burned, making your hard work immediately visible. The shell itself utilizes an enhanced, upgraded ergonomic design that feels incredibly stable, rigid, and durable, while an advanced anti-slip coating ensures your feet stay securely planted even at maximum vibration speeds. Managing your workout is incredibly easy thanks to the included handy remote control, which allows you to change speeds or alter programs without ever having to bend down and disrupt your stance. Manufactured by a top-tier professional factory and subjected to rigorous safety testing, this durable machine is built to last. It stores away easily under a bed or inside a closet due to its sleek, compact profile, making it perfect for spaces of any size. For anyone looking to sculpt their dream body, boost bone mineral density, and reduce everyday stress levels right from the comfort of their home or office, the AXV Vibration Plate is an exceptional, risk-free investment that delivers top-tier health and fitness results day after day.